We need the exact width right here.
Aligning the laser markers now. Looks good, lock it in. Easy now, hold it right there. Watch your fingers on that edge. Keep it flowing, looks perfect. Pier 3 alignment looks perfect. Copy that, moving to 4. Hold it right there, back it up slow. Roger that, holding position. Prepare for lifting. Hold it right there. Bring it down slow. Easy now, bring it down. Locked in, initiating weld. Perfect, hold it right there.
Drone 1 is locked onto the main cable.
Laser scan of section 4 is complete.
I hereby declare this bridge officially open.